Hi, I'm Liz Sneddon. Let's have a look at the answer to question 3A, part 3. So here is our tree diagram that we drew in an earlier video, and the question that we're trying to find is if it is a dry day in Timaru, then what is the probability it was also dry in Ashburton on the same day? So we need to think about, well, Timaru, which one's a Timaru? And we know that these second ones, so we're talking about dry in Timaru. So those are the options where it's dry in Timaru. So in terms of my combinations, I'm looking for, I want to compare the probability of being dry in Timaru here and the dry in Timaru there. Both of those include being dry in Timaru. And from those, I need to look at when it is also dry in Ashburton. So WD, the first one here, WD means wet in Ashburton, dry in Timaru. The second one here says dry in Ashburton and dry in Timaru. So this is the one that we want to find on the top of our numerator. So what I want is I want to find the probability that it is dry in Ashburton, given that it is dry in Timaru. So this is a conditional probability. So I need to divide by the probability of being dry in Timaru. And on the top, I need the probability that it is dry in Ashburton and in Timaru. So I'm going to compare, I've got my probability of DD, okay, dry in Timaru and dry in Ashburton, and I'm dividing that by the chance of being dry in Timaru, which is where I combine both of those together. Both of them together make dry in Timaru. So that is going to be probability of WD plus the probability of DD. So that is going to become, I'm just going to come over here, so we're going to have 0.484, so our DD, divided by those two combined, so 0.1665 plus 0.484. And when I put that into my calculator, I'm going to get an answer of 0.7440 to 4dp. So that is the probability, that is our conditional probability. So if you were able to find the probability of being dry in Timaru, so if you were able to find the bottom, so if you were combining these two together and found me that answer, then that would get you achieved. If you're able to go through and get to this final answer here, then that gets you the merit. Thanks for watching.